Hello, my dear students. In the last class, I have explained about the basic calculator and its function in detail. And also, in the last class, we have studied about the types of calculator, the basic difference between calculator and computer. Now, in the today's class, let me focus on a topic called microwave oven. Let us discuss introduction to microwave oven. A microwave oven is an electric oven that heats and cooks food. It uses radio waves or microwaves to heat the food products. The working of microwave oven will be discussed in the further slide. Microwave oven is an electric kitchen appliance used in several applications such as hotels or bakeries to process and cook the food products. And also it is used in some of the medical application and so on. As you can see on the screen, by using microwave or electromagnetic radiation, the microwave oven heats and cooks food products. Here, red lines on the image indicate the microwave or electromagnetic wave generated by microwave oven. It is possible by converting the electrical energy into electromagnetic radiation. Here in microwave oven, it uses the microwave frequency to heat food products, which is range from 300 megahertz to 300 gigahertz, and its wavelength is from 30 centimeter to 0.2 mm. Now let us discuss the basic design of microwave oven. As you can see on the screen, basic microwave oven consists of different components such as magnetron, waveguide, stirrer or it is also called as fan, cooking cavity, turntable, door and choke, transformer, power unit and control panel. Let us discuss each part of the microwave oven in detail. First, let us discuss magnetron. Magnetron is high-powered vacuum tube which generates microwave radiation. It is a diode type electron vacuum tube. There is a cathode at the center of magnetron which emits electron when it gets heated by applying high voltage of DC power source to the circular anode cavity which is made up of copper. You can see here there is a C-shaped permanent magnets are surrounded by the anode cavity which modify the direction of electrons. You can see here the movement of electron. It helps to develop high level of microwave power. Next we have waveguide. A waveguide is a structure that guides microwave energy. You can see on the screen how the microwave energy is going to be guided by the rectangular shape of waveguide. Generally, waveguide is made up of copper, silver, and aluminum. Next, we have stirrer, and it is also called as fan. In a microwave oven, stirrer looks like a fan which is placed at the top of the cavity which we have observed in the previous slide. It helps to move the microwave energy around the cavity. Next component we have in the microwave oven is main chassis. This is the place where every part of the microwave oven is organized. It consists of front panel that allows the user or operator to control the various setting for cook the food products. You can see here main door which is attached to the main chassis of the microwave oven. In the front panel of microwave oven, we have timer to set the cooking time. In microwave oven, at the end of cooking time, the oven switch off itself and the production of microwave stop instantly. This is what end of the presentation. In the next class, we will discuss about the working principle of microwave oven. Thank you and see you in the next video.